In addition to false advertisements, you can find other claims that seem scientific and truthful, but are not. The following claims appeared online. A green moon will be visible for the first time in more than a century. Tilapia is a skinless and boneless fish that is unsafe to eat. Putting a raw onion in your sock overnight helps remove toxins from your body. These claims are not true. Even people we respect sometimes believe things that are not true. They might repeat wrong ideas and mislead people without any bad intentions. However, some groups intentionally try to fool us, and that can be a serious problem. For example, big tobacco companies knew that smoking caused cancer and other serious health problems, but they kept that research locked up in their offices. They pretended that the science was uncertain and that smoking was safe because they wanted customers to keep on buying cigarettes. They claimed there was no proof that smoking causes lung cancer, but documents prove that the companies were intentionally misleading the public. 4 companies were brought to court, and in 1998, they agreed to pay hundreds of billions of dollars for covering up the truth. Remarkably, many of the same people and groups who made false claims about tobacco now use an identical argument about climate change. In recent mailings to science teachers, one group suggested that the science of climate change is unsettled. Despite the fact that 97% of climate scientists agree that human beings are changing the climate and creating harmful effects, this group promotes the idea that even if humans contribute to climate change, it would probably not be harmful. In 2012, that group compared everyone who believes climate change is real, as most people do, to a mass murderer, the Unabomber. That strategy failed, and they took down their billboard. Suppose somebody learns that 97% of meteorologists predict that a powerful hurricane will devastate buildings where they live. Should they be thinking, nobody is certain the hurricane is coming, so I won't do anything? With complex phenomena like weather and climate, it is impossible to be 100% sure exactly when, where, and how events will happen. Climate scientists are very confident that human beings cause climate change and that its effects, like rising sea levels, are serious. How can you tell if a scientific claim is true or false? Let's try using an actual Facebook post. The text reads, "This is the first video I've ever seen of the green flash at sunset actually happening. Is it real?" Watch carefully.